All right, here we are with our 1971 O'Day Day Sailor 2 CYANE. We painted her late spring. We used TotalBoat WetEdge Oyster White on the top and some Pettit Easy Epoxy Ice Blue on the hull. She's been out on the lift, and we pulled her for some tropical storms coming our way. She's been sitting in the yard now picking up some nice pine tree gunk, and you can see the paint job's kind of taking the brunt of that. So we wanted to see how this TotalBoat was holding up after, I think it's about 6 to 8 months. So she's getting a little freshwater rinse down. Uh-oh, Skipper's here. Shaving a yak is what this is called. Skipper wants to get to the lights before the storm, so.
Oh.
You want to be on video, Skipper?
Hi. Hi, video.
Is it, well, panning.
Yep.
Look, she's escaping the shot, so. Supposed to be putting up a flagpole Christmas tree. That's going to happen in about 10 minutes, but I wanted to take a look at how this is just coming right off with just a little water, so pretty happy with that. Gonna go finish that up. This has been her summer cover, and we're who knows, now that the storm season's coming in, maybe she goes back out on the lift.